Let's see, intro preview. So let's make intro. Download link of intro template and assets will be found in description. So now let's open Alight Motion. This is all the layers of intro. So let's ungroup this group, then you can easily add your logo or any text. Now I copy this text layer, then everyone else in the group will paste this copy layer. Intro is almost complete. So now let's change the color for that by selecting the layer with copy background. Then coming to the hot color effect, then from here you can change the color. So in just a few steps, you can customize this intro.